Hey, good day everyone. I'm recording this video to have a review of this Canon SX740 HS Powershot. I got this as a Christmas present yesterday because they wanted to support me in my vlogging career. You're gonna have a camera, a battery charger, and of course a battery, and a rope for your camera. Alright, and I guess these are the things you're gonna get from your new Canon Powershot SX740 HS. I'm now excited to try this, and let's find out how this thing works. Putting on the battery. With this camera selfie shot, you're able to see our best angle. "4K. Let's check if we go closer. The zoom in. You can actually zoom the camera in up to 40 times. Zooming out. This is badass.